let chronic pain define you. Dry Needling and MSK Rehab. Still living with pain in your back, neck or shoulders? Tried massage, ice packs, painkillers and nothing lasts? There's another way. Chronic pain doesn't just wear down your body, it messes with your mood, your energy and your confidence. I am Pankaj Mudgal and I use dry needling, manual therapy and targeted exercise to help people recover from years of chronic pain without relying on medication. Treatment and exercises. We start by releasing tight muscle knots with dry needling, followed by thoracic mobility exercises like cat and cow, thoracic rotation, posture correction drills, wall angles, chin tucks, strengthening movements, bended rows, float bridges, and daily stretching routine to maintain mobility. A teacher came in with 2 years of neck pain. After 4 sessions, her posture improved, her headaches disappeared, and she stopped needing painkillers entirely. Does dry needling hurt? You may feel a brief twitch or ache. It's your muscles releasing tension. Most patients feel relief right away or within 24 hours. If chronic pain has become your normal, it's time to take control. Book your pain consultation today.